Let's discuss exercise 13.3. First question, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. First, metal in the shape of sphere. After melting, the new shape of metal is cylinder. Sphere is melted into cylinder. It means the amount of metal used for making the sphere equal to the amount of metal used for making the cylinder. Okay, it means volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder. Okay, what is the volume formula for sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder, pi r square h. 4 by 3, pi value 22 by 7, r cube. Radius of the sphere 4.2 whole cube, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r square. Radius of the cylinder is 6 square. Here we have to find the height of the cylinder. 22 by 7 get cancelled. 4 by 3 into 4.2, write it as 42 by 10 whole cube, right? 3 times 10. 6 square is 36 into 36 comes to this side by 36. 3 ones, 3 4 times, 3 14s are 42, 4 ones, 4 9s are 3 3s, 3 14s, 3 ones, 3 14s. 14 into 14, 196. 196 into 14 is 2744 by 1000. This is the h value. Therefore, h equal to 2.744 centimeters. Okay, therefore height of the cylinder equal to 2.744 centimeters. Next, second question, a metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Here we have 3 spheres given. Radii of these 3 spheres are melted into form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere. First we have three spheres. After melting, formed a one big solid sphere. It means volume of sphere, radius, having radius 6 centimeters plus volume of sphere having radius 8 centimeters plus volume of sphere radius 10 centimeters equal to volume of resulting sphere. It means single sphere, solid sphere, volume of big sphere. or resulting sphere. What is the volume formula? Volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus first sphere r1 cube 4 by 3 into pi into r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi into r3 cube equal to 4 by 3 pi into radius of big sphere. Here 4 by 3 into pi is common. R cube first sphere radius is 6 centimeters 6 cube. Second sphere radius 8 centimeters 8 cube. Third sphere radius is 10 centimeters 10 cube equal to 4 by 3 pi into RB cube. Here we have to find the radius of resulting sphere. Okay, 4 by 3 into pi, 4 by 3 into pi get cancelled, 6 cube 216, 8 cube is 512, 10 cube is 1000. 1000 plus 512 plus 216 827 1728 equal to RB cube. Which number cube is 1728? See, which number cube is ending with 8? First separate 3 digits. 1728. Here we have to find the cube. So separate last 3 digits. Which number cube is ending with 8? 2. 2 cube is 8. So unit digit is 2. Next, remaining 1. Which number cube is near to 1 or less than 1? Near to 1 is 1 cube. So answer is 12. So RB cube equal to 12 cube. So radius of the resulting sphere equal to 12 centimeters.